application for students. So it will be you just close this one new vendor. You just close on the top. You have closed icon. You close this one also. You have clicked on new vendor case type. OK. Now you are at you, just submit this one. Validation. Why did you turn to validation? Should not go to validation. Service case does not be your company. This is 1 second. You click on that. On the left. On the left side you have S1, right-click on this one. Click on this one. Yeah, click on assistance request. Yeah, go to A, to go to parent is. Wait for service company. Click on Go. You have wait for service completion. Right-click on why it went to do. It has to come down. Right, yeah, click on Go. Click on Yes, continue. I think we need to change some. We have to make some change. Go to your life cycle application life cycle. You have. You go to Previous tab. Previous tab. Yeah, 1 second. You click on Validate request one more time. Click on Validate request. No, not service. Validate request, is that thing. Yeah, click on Validate. Existing. Click on Existing condition. Click on Existing condition. OK. Yeah, try to keep custom. Custom you. You will appear. Yeah, you can click. You can give existing condition only. You can give existing condition and always click on End without go to your click on End. Yeah, click the. Yeah, you click on Change to rejection state. Yeah. Now we save it. It will come down. Yeah. Now you try to create a. It has to follow the below path. Actually, it is following the happy path. We are making the case to forcefully come down. OK. Continue. Continue. You give some information here. Yeah, it's fun. Submit. Yeah, submit. OK, it went for Pro prompt for enrollment. Right seat went to approval. Rejection prompt for enrollment. Go to your life cycle and you see, you are at what place you are there. You are there at below. Come down, scroll down. You are at alternative stage. Come down here. You are there. Prompt for enrollment. Why you went for prompt for enrollment without going for validate request, because you have modified the condition there. It always go to change rejection state. Right, yeah, from change rejection state. It was coming to this approval rejection. OK. Got it. You have forcefully made the case to come to this point. Yes. Okay, now we are at prompt for enrollment assignment. This is one assignment. Now you are user. Now the system is asking you. The system is asking, do you want to enroll? Okay. Do you want to enroll? System is asking you if you go to the screen. Okay. Yes, I want to enroll. No, I not at this time. Okay. No, don't submit. Now click on Cancel. This is one assignment. Click on Cancel. Yeah, click on OK. OK. Now you are in this assignment. See, prompt for enrollment is assignment. If you click on Go, it will open that assignment. OK. If you click on Go, it will open that assignment. OK. Now click on Cancel. Now user is waiting at this particular screen. OK, now there is no timeline defined. OK. Now there is no timeline defined. User can complete the screen yet. Whatever time he want. Right. Now there is no SLA defined on this particular task rate. If you go and open that assignment shape, there is no SLA defined. So user can go to flow. No, you have already opened the last tab approval. Rejection is there in flow. Yeah. If you open the prompt for enrollment, you are at this particular assignment. There is no SLA defined. There is no timeline defined. So user can come and completed this task after some 1 year also. Yeah. So that does not happen right in real time. The cases should not get open like this. It has to resolve. Cases should not open in the system for us that long time. There must be some task timeline. Correct. So you just take a screenshot. Go to assistance request. You just that case, you go, you have that case in extra time. Just take a screenshot of this case. And paste it in some Paint or somewhere. Or in some Word document. Yeah, I screenshot. You just paste that image in somewhere. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It was saved somewhere. Now we will try to configure SLA on this assignment and create a case again. And let's see the difference, okay. Now, before creating an SLA, click on Go. Click on Go. If user doesn't enter any information here and if he submits. Okay, because this is not a required field, right? Yeah. Go to your flow and see how actually flow behaves. Go to flow. If there is a decision here, one decision is for enroll and one is for else. Condition right. Yeah. On enroll, if you double-click on the connector. Double-click on the connector. There is an enroll connector right, not that connector. Enroll from decision shape. There is one. Yeah. Double-click on that connector. Enroll. See, there is one decision. When condition is there, you can click on the crosshair icon. It will open the when condition. See here, if user is selecting yes, it will follow this path. OK. If you suppose, do you want to enroll,